too hot?
It's so bad.
It's hot. Show us the inside.
It's right. It's really, really good. Really, really good.
Delicious.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making banana bread. Yum. So my grandma flew from the US here to Spain. La Haladula. Yay. So I'm going to be showing you the ingredients. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. 3 tablespoons of butter. 2 cups of flour. 1 cup of sugar. 1 egg. 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Baking soda. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. 1 cup of mashed bananas. 1/2 cup of sour milk. Okay, so these 2 ingredients you don't have to add, but you can if you want. So first ingredient I'm adding just because I want it is 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips. Yum. 1/4 cup of walnuts. It can be any kind of nut, but we just picked walnuts because I like that. So that's all the ingredients. Okay, so you need a big bowl to put all the ingredients together. So you need an extra bowl for the egg because if you accidentally get like the shell in the bowl, it's not a big deal. But if you crack it here and you get the shell in this bowl, it's hard to get them out. So it looks so slimy when it falls in. So next we need the butter. Should use a fork so it gets in. Next we need sugar. I like sugar for some reason. I just eat it plain sometimes. Now you need to mix it. Because we don't have the blender, I'm just going to use the bowl and a fork to mix it. Here, this is what it should look like at the end of that mixing. Next, we need mashed bananas. Sometimes there can be like 2 or 3 bananas. It depends on the size of the banana. We need to mix it again. Okay, now you need to put in the dry ingredients, but you don't put like the whole thing in right away of the flour because you go like, you put a little bit of flour, then a little bit of milk, little flour, little milk, till they both finish. Put the whole cup of the fork. Now you can put the salt. The baking soda you can put now too. The end, it should look like this. Then next, you put 1/2 the cup of the sour milk. You should have about this much. Mix it. And now you put the other cup of flour. And now you mix again. And now, before it's fully mixed, you put the rest of the milk. And now you mix it fully. Remember, it's not easy, but you need to take time to get it to a smooth texture. Next, for the side, you take a spatula and you scrape it off the side. After you get the ingredients off the side of the bowl, you have to mix it so they're all mixed in, together. And now, let's put in the vanilla. Oh, it smells good. Chocolate chips first. Walnuts. I need to pour this into the pan. assistant is helping me. I'm the boss. The boss is here. You get to like and subscribe. The boss is here. The boss. Don't forget, while you're mixing, you should turn on your oven for 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius. And we're going to bake it for 50 minutes.
Check if it's done. You can put a sharp knife, poke it in the middle and bring it out. And if it comes out clean, it's done. If it comes out with a lot of the dough on it, it's not done. So go 5-10 minutes longer.
Now we wait. It's been 50 minutes. Looks good. Is it ready?
See how much? It's not at all. We need another 10 minutes about.
Adult supervision for this
Okay, done.
to be good.
There we go.